Welcome to How to Play Diddle. To play, you will need the Diddle dice game and 2 players. The game board is placed in between the 2 players. Each player's dice are set up in their base row with the 6 side facing up and the 4 side facing the opponent. Each player will have 7 total dice. The object of the game is to score the most points. Players will try to move their dice to their opponent's base row with their highest possible numbers facing up. A dice can move by being tilt forward, by being tilt sideways, by jumping a dice forward on the board, by jumping a dice sideways, by tilting then jumping either forward or sideways. A player can make multiple jumps if possible. This game begins with Wade moving a dice forward. Play moves to Diana, who tilts a dice forward. Players continue to take turns making moves. Each turn, a player can make 1 valid move. The goal of the players is to get all their dice to their opponent's base row. Skipping ahead, Diana makes a move to put all her pieces into Wade's base row. This ends the game. Each player's score is calculated by adding up the face-up numbers for the dice in the opponent's base row. Diana scores 29 points, Wade scores 30 points. Wade wins this game. If you enjoyed learning how to play Diddle and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.